Hi, what's up guys? It's me, Dan Cabrera. It's another The Unboxing Day, and it's been a while since I have uploaded a new video. And today we have a Demon Slayer Figure Art Zero Agatsuma Zenitsu Thunder Breathing. Let's go. First of all, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do hit that like button, subscribe button, and also that notification bell for you to be updated whenever I have a new The Unboxing video. So yeah, let's pop this brown box open. Okay. When you pop it from the brown box, you can see the actual figure already. It has another box, so it's a box within a box. When you look at it closely, at the front we have the Demon Slayer logo, Zenitsu Agatsuma here doing some thunder breathing technique. Figure Art Zero logo up here. Tamashii Nation quality seal, Bandai, and Tamashii Nation's logo over here. At the side we can see a mid shot of Zenitsu. At the back we have the wide shot and some close-up details of Zenitsu, and at the side the other window, so you can look at it on a side view perspective. And at the bottom you have here the warnings. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox the Figure Art Zero Zenitsu Agatsuma. And just guys, we have fully unboxed the Zenitsu Agatsuma Thunder Breathing form from Figure Art Zero, Tamashii Nations, and Bandai. So makikita nyo, grabe yung details, especially dun sa sword. Ganda ng pagkagawa. Ang linis overall ng figure. Concern ko lang, syempre wag nyo na masyado hawakan yung pointy spikes nitong figure, especially dito sa thunder effect niya, kasi medyo matulis talaga and you might get a scratch or wound, no, eventually by accident or intentionally. Kaya huwag nyo na masyado hawakan, iwasan nyo na lang and put it in a safe place na wala siyang matatamaan or masusugatan. So yun lang naman, napakagandang figure overall. Sobrang solid talaga gumawa ng Figure Arts here, especially sa Kimetsu no Yaiba, kasi alam ko sa ibang line nila ngayon nagkaka-issue sila when it comes doon sa pag-produce ng quality ng mga figures, especially yung Kaido ng One Piece. Alam ko parang iba yung naka-advertise tapos ang pangit ng output doon sa re-release nila, no? So far sa Kimetsu no Yaiba, ang gaganda talaga from the start. This is part doon sa batch 1 na re-release nila na Tanjiro, Gyu, tapos ito yung pangatlo. And then we have yung Tanjiro na Hinokami Kagura, and as well as yung Rengoku. And yung Rengoku at yung Tanjiro, in-unbox din natin yon. So make sure to check those videos out. I'll link them down below. So ito na yung pangatlo natin figure from Figure Art Zero. And yes, a great addition sa ating collection. Napakaganda talagang figure ng Demon Slayer from Figure Art Zero. And yun nga, kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe sa akin channel, please do hit that like button, subscribe button, and also that notification bell for you to be updated kapag meron tayong bagong The Unboxing video. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Pasensya na kung ngayon lang tayo nakapag-upload. Always stay safe and God bless. Peace.